my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Mirror Interpretation Todorova. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you so much, guys. This means so much to me. You cannot imagine how much this means to me, because I really grew up in a very small places in the mountains with no water, no electricity, and 15 years ago I barely speak one language and very badly, using a lot of curse word, a lot of slang. And I grow up now to speak 6 or 7 languages. So I feel so grateful that for a small village girl like me, I can have 300 of you guys here. Thank you. I am again creating these videos related to medical terminology. Before I start, I want to apologize. I haven't been posting as I do for twice a week. I have been extremely busy with work. So I'm so sorry, guys, but after talking for 5 hours a day, really, it's so difficult for me, especially if you do that in medical. It's so challenging. Today I'm creating a video related to endocrine system. My goal is to continue creating one video of medical interpreting and one video of interesting topic. I will call it a side topic, which this last week was for praying and medical encounters. You can click over here and watch this inspiring video for me. And I intend to continue create language related videos, and I'm gonna start creating 2 language created videos. This is my plan. This is something that I always wanted to do, and I was inspired by somebody from Germany contacted me. Thank you, Sarah. Hi. And I hope that we can do this beautiful collaboration together. Okay, today we are starting to talk about endocrine system. And what is endocrine system? If you haven't checked already my medical interpreting videos, you can click on the link over here and you will find a full folder where we talk about we're talking about respiratory, cardiovascular, I believe, maybe digestive, I believe digestive as well. And this is our 4 series of videos talking about endocrine system. It's important to know this, guys. If you do medical interpreting test, the national certification or BTG or any other kind of certification, there is this few questions related to pituitary gland, which I mess up on the test. Even though I take my test with 90.6 accuracy, the few questions that were related to endocrine system, I messed them up because they ask where the glands are located, and I was not very sure. So now I had opportunity to repass them with you. So thank you for that. Okay, we are starting to talk about endocrine system. This is, more I study physiology and biology, more I get inspired how magical we are, how magical is our body, how magical is our system, how everything works in some perfect natural balance, like in the cosmos. I think this is so fascinating to me. I wish I had more computer power where I can create all this amazing video, which I hope one day I will be able to do, or maybe some of you can help me with their technology knowledge to do that. So what are the endocrine system? First of all, endo from Greece mean within, and crinius mean secret. So this is kind of a secret system inside of our body, yes, because it's invisible. The hormones are very tiny small things that happen and make some chemical reaction to our brain, to our senses, to our thirst, hunger, and so on. So this is so magical. I feel like I'm talking about magic already. So the hormones are created in a glands. They're produced by glands. So these glands release hormones in the body and help all the body functions, okay? They help the respiratory system, metabolism, reproductive system, sensory and perception, movement, sexual desire, and growth. So the hormones are produced in the glands, and sometimes thanks to organs like liver, kidneys, and so bloodstream, they get sent through the body system. Also together with the nerve system, they get sent away, and they create a special reaction or special actions. So their main hormone glands are, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9 hormone glands that we're talking about today. I'm just gonna name it. I'm gonna talk in general what those glands are for. And then from today on, every week I'm gonna release one video related to one gland release system, which is gonna make it more clear for us to understand our magical, marvelous, beautiful bodies, and how we feel happy and smiling when we do certain things, and also make us be better interpreter in our medical encounters. Okay, the hypothalamus gland, which honestly at this precise moment I cannot tell you where is it, but I can tell you that it's responsible for body temperature, hunger, moods, control of the thirst, sleep and sex drive. The hormones that are produced in hypothalamus, they affect all this function. Pituitary gland. I now know that is located here because I didn't respond on this test on my medical interpreter exam, and I was so upset because I remember it was some here in the part of the body, but I was not sure where was it, and I was so upset that I didn't remember it. So I repassed it after the test. So the pituitary gland is called master control because this gland controls the level of the hormone that is released from the other glands, and also respond for the hormones of the growth, overgrowth, undergrowth. There could be some conditions here that we're gonna talk about it when we go to that video. Parathyroid gland. There is often problem people with the parathyroid glands. This relates the amount of calcium in the body, The pancreas, the pancreatic release its insulin and help control the sugar in the blood. Thyroid, it's hormones that help burn calories and the heart rate. And the parathyroid is related to calcium, which is accumulation in the kidneys that could also be affected. Then we have adrenal. The adrenal is hormone related to sex, and cortisol, stress. I think it's so so interesting that in the adrenal gland we can have this beautiful, positive, sexual desire, and then the stress, the most scary and terrorizing one. This is how I remember them. They're so interesting. So pineal gland, for me it was so hard because I related to male reproductive system. Instead of that, this is the gland that produces the melatonin in the body, and it relates with our sleep cycles. If you don't know what melatonin is the small hormone that regulates the sleeping patterns in the body. And if you suffer from insomnia, you could take melatonin pills sometimes. I did try a few times melatonin pills. Unfortunately for me, they kept me awake longer, so I decided not to put that in my body. And then we have two more. One is ovaries and testicle. This is male and female reproductive. We have two different glands. The ovaries, they produce estrogen, testosterone, and progesterone, the female sex hormone and reproductive, right? And then we have testicles that are male sexual hormones related to testosterone and production of the sperm. Let me see if I forget something. What are the hormones? If we can imagine, the hormones are these invisible messengers that sense through the body, thanks to the bloodstream, that help the body work, right? And the certain hormones act in only certain areas of the body and other in other areas, which is wonderful. And I think it's really beautiful how the body have their own balance. It's magical how that thing happen. But okay, I hope you can watch this video while cleaning, folding clothes, or even driving, and I hope this video was useful for you. Please like, share, subscribe, write me a comment. That was everything from sunny Denver, Colorado. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.